4 more years, Mr. Mike Ricketts will be sitting right there in that chair as the JFF president. Yes. Get used to it, as Mr. Ricketts emphatically dismissed the challenge of Raymond Anderson in that sham of a presidential race. And for all those people who are emotionally invested in who won or who lost this election, get over it. It is the nation's football, the reggae boys and the reggae girls and the youth teams and the development structures and programs that need our support. And ought to get our support, not the JFF or the JFF president. We have little or no control over who the JFF president is. If this were a public vote, Mr. Ricketts would have been booted out of office, but this is not a public vote. The Jamaican football fraternity said Mr. Ricketts should continue as president, and the world governing body FIFA is good with it. So like or dislike or rate or don't rate Mike Ricketts, make us support the football. The president is incidental. For the next 4 years, it just happens to be Mike Ricketts. Big up Mr. Ricketts. Big up Mr. Boss.